So today I'm going to share with you what I use to keep my pearly whites looking, well, pearly white. In the past I've visited dentists, I've used teeth whitening strips, and I've used the toothpastes, and none of them have had lasting results. And if they did last, they caused a lot of sensitivity to the point where I was taking painkillers, and it just wasn't good for my teeth. But I can say I finally found a product that is so good that I do recommend it to my family and to my friends. I use the Snow Teeth Whitening system, and I've never been more impressed by a beauty product in my life. And I'm not just saying that. I use it every day as part of my hair and makeup routine. And once I've reached the whiteness I like, I just do it a few times a week just to maintain the shade. Now, what stood out to me with this product was that the serum, it not only whitens my teeth, but it prevents further stains from occurring. So even though I'm indulging in my red wine and my coffee and my tea, my teeth don't stain, they stay white. And I haven't had any problems with sensitivity. The Snow Teeth Whitening serum, it's natural and it's not tested on animals, which is really big for me. And the light, it's not UV, it's actually LED, so it's totally safe to use. And what I love about it is you can just plug it into your phone. It's so easy to use, and away you go.
When you use your Snow Teeth Whitening kit for the very first time, be sure to wash the mouth tray first. Brush your teeth and take a moment to smile to remind yourself just how beautiful you already are. Take some lip balm and cover your lips, then dry your teeth. Take the teeth whitening wand and twist the bottom until it flows to the brush. Now just apply that serum evenly on your teeth, avoiding putting it on your gums or your lips as it can cause a burning feeling. Then bite onto the mouth guard and plug it into your phone, your laptop or your tablet to turn on the activating light. Set the timer for 10 to 15 minutes and just continue your morning routine or chill out to some tunes until the timer goes off. When it does, wash the activating light under some warm water, rinse your mouth and enjoy your gorgeous bright smile.
So that's it. Super easy, right? And I will say it has been a game changer for me. My confidence is higher, I get lots of compliments on my smile. But best of all, profits from every Snow Teeth Whitening kit ordered are donated to children who don't have access to dental. That alone was a reason for me to give them a go, and I'm so glad that I did. So do you use Snow as well? Why don't you let me know in the comments section, because I was hesitant to share my teeth whitening hack, but I realised how important a beautiful and confident smile is, and everyone deserves to love their smile. Enjoy!